And welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Now, despite one withdrawal and the late exclusion of a top striker from the Reggae Boyz squad, the team is upbeat about making a good start in the CONCACAF Nations League against Antigua and Barbuda on Friday at the Montego Bay Sports Complex. Now, the last time both teams met, Jamaica prevailed 2-0. That was in April 2018 in St. John's. Simon Preston has our preview.
As the Reggae Boyz get set to commence League B action in the CONCACAF Nations League, they will be without striker Corey Burke, who was among those called up to the squad for the upcoming games. Head coach Theodore Tappa Whitmore explains why.
Fact is that I'm not pleased with the situation, and I've explained that to Corey Burke, so it has nothing to do, as I said before, I need players who are focused here, and I don't think Corey is focused.
Player to travel as a direct flight to Montego Bay was not secured for the player. Shivani Willis, out of the Bethlehem Steel, has been called in as a replacement. But one player who will be part of Coach Whitmore's plans is 26-year-old Fulham FC forward Bobby Reid.
It was enjoyable. Nice to meet up with the lads for the first time. It's been a long time coming and I'm happy to be here, and hopefully we can have a good campaign and get the nation and the country behind us.
With Jamaica needing to top the group to advance to League A, the goal is quite clear.
It's a game that we need to win. We need to work hard first and foremost, try to get the 3 points, and if we work together as a team and we play good football, then there's no reason why we can't win.
Veteran player Adrian Mariappa is back in the squad for the first time since September 2018, and he's also eyeing a good start to the competition.
All tough games, and obviously it would have been ideal for us to qualify in the top tier, but situation is what it is, and we're focused on on getting the job done and trying to get ourselves to the World Cup.
With the current makeup of the squad, Leon Bailey also rates Jamaica's chances highly.
I think we have a good understanding with each other, and I see a lot of improvements within the team, so I'm looking forward to great things, and hopefully we can make Jamaica proud.
Antigua and Barbuda may be ranked 124 in the world, but Whitmore says they won't be taken lightly.
As much as we want to respect our opponent, there's no fear. We know the task at hand, we know what we have to do. It's getting closer to World Cup qualification, every game is going to be important, and going forward from Friday, every game we have to treat it like we're playing against a Mexico or a USA.
Kickoff is at 7 p.m. After the match, the boys will head to Guyana for their next game on September 9 in Georgetown. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.